Hello friends, how are you? Today morning I got a gift from the YouTube. I think it is a silver play button, and I am very thankful to all of my viewers and subscribers for giving me this much love and providing me YouTube platform. So let's see what's inside this box, and keep watching. Thanks for subscribing my channel, and thank you. I am very thankful to all of my viewers. This is for Etech Info for passing 1 lakh subscriber, and this is the silver play button. Thanks for watching channel, and I will keep updating with the video. Thank you so much.